Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make easy chocolate chip cookies recipe. Let's start. The ingredients to make the cookie dough are white sugar, brown sugar, and melted butter. First, mix these three ingredients very well. Next, add 1 egg. Mix the egg nicely. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon vanilla essence, and add half teaspoon baking soda. Mix it well. Sieve the flour and add it to the dough. You can add chocolate chips or crushed chocolate pieces, whichever one you have at home. Now we will set the dough in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. I've chilled the cookie dough and taken it out. Let's set in the baking tray. See, the cookie has turned out very soft. The cookie tastes so chewy and delicious. The best combination for chocolate chip cookies is milk. This is a very easy and tasty recipe. All of you should try at home and leave your comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.